Hello guys, welcome back to this video. And this video I'm going to show you how I can add numbers with the help of pointers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create integers. As you can see, integer a, b, sum, and now I'm going to create my pointers using the star symbol, star pointer 1 comma star pointer 2, and you have to close them with the semicolon. And now I'm going to store my address of the pointers in the a integer and the second one in the b integer. I'm going to write this line for the user: cout enter an integer. And its value will get stored in the first pointer. And for the second integer as well, cout enter second integer, semicolon. And its value will get stored in the second pointer. And now I'm going to add them. As you can see, sum equals to pointer 1 plus star sign pointer 2 and semicolon. As you can see, I'm just writing down this simple code: show my answer to the user, cout pointer 1, using the semicolon to show the plus sign, and the second pointer. And you can write equals to sign. And now you can add your pointers. As you can see, if I run my code, it is giving me this error, or in the as you can see, it is asking for my integers, and that's my answer. So that's it for the video guys. Like and subscribe.